So next question, 1 plus cosec A upon cosec A is equal to cos square A upon 1 minus sin A. A fairly easy question. So all that I need to do is convert this cosec A as 1 upon sin A, cosec A is 1 upon sin A. So if I take left hand side, so I'll write this as 1 plus 1 upon sin A. 1 upon sin A. So sin A would be the LCM in the numerator. It will be sin A plus 1 whole upon 1 upon sin A. This would be equal to sin A plus 1 upon sin A multiplied by sin A 1. This will cancel and this will be equal to sin A plus 1. And so this is my LHS is equal to sin A plus 1. Now I'll take my right hand side. I'll write my cos square A as 1 minus sin square A. This is 1 minus sin A. So 1 minus sin square A, basically this is A square minus B square, and this will be equal to A plus B into A minus B. So 1 minus sin square A can be written as 1 square minus sin square A. This can be written as 1 minus sin A multiplied by 1 plus sin A whole upon 1 minus. So this will cancel. So my right hand side is equal to 1 plus sin A. So right hand side is equal to 1 plus sin A and left hand side is equal to 1 plus sin A. So that is how I prove this identity. Let's move to the next question.